Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. Today I was inspired to make a pasta with a Bolognese sauce, and I'm going to show you how I did it. Let's get to it. So this dish originated from Italy, and Italian food happens to be one of my favorite cuisines. As I mentioned before, I was inspired to make this, and it did not disappoint. So much depth and flavor, guys. And remember, guys, this channel is all about us taking our favorite dish, putting our own little spins in it, and making it our own. So let's make some pasta. To start with, we're going to need some salt and pepper. This is going to use to season the dish throughout the video, and some rosemary. Here I have some chopped onion and some chopped garlic. We're going to need some tomato paste and some fresh basil. Also need some chopped carrot and chopped celery. Also need some beef stock and some crushed tomato. If you prefer to use red wine, you can, but I'm using some beef stock instead. Also need some fresh spinach I'm going to chop into bite size. For the meat, I have some lean ground beef and some Italian sausage. You can use a spicy Italian sausage if you like. For the pasta, I'm going to use this one, and you can use whichever pasta you like as well. To start with our sauce, I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil. Next, I'm going to add the carrot, the onion, and the celery. This is all going to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until everything is softened. I am also going to season this with a pinch of salt and pepper. Now it's time to add in the garlic. I'm going to cook the garlic until it's fragrant, about 30 seconds. Remember, guys, if you enjoy my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Now I'm going to part the vegetables, and I'm going to add the meat to the center. Now I'm going to crush the meat. Once I have crushed my meat, now it's time to add in the vegetables and mix it all together and brown my meat. Next, I'm going to lightly season this with some salt and pepper. Now let's add some tomato paste. I'm going to mix everything, and then I'm going to cook the tomato paste for about 5 minutes. Once everything has been well combined, I added my rosemary. Rosemary goes really well with red meat. Now add my beef stock. This is the time that you're going to add your red wine if you're using red wine instead of beef stock. Now it's time for the crushed tomatoes. to mix this, and when it comes to simmer, I'm going to also season this with a pinch of salt and pepper. Now I'm going to add on the lid and cook this for about an hour plus, but this can cook for over 2 hours if you have the time. Now to my pasta water, I'm going to season it with some salt. Once my water is all boiled, I'm going to add in my pasta and I'm going to cook to box direction. Usually al dente is perfect. Once my sauce have been cooking for over an hour, I'm going to add my chopped spinach with my basil. I'm going to mix this a little bit and then I'm going to throw in my pasta. I'm going to mix this until everything is well coated. Once I've got everything well coated, I'm going to put the lid on and cook this for another 5 minutes and lower the heat. So this was it. This was dinner. You can enjoy this with a little Parmesan cheese sprinkled on top. It was easy enough to follow, and it was a great way to get my family to eat vegetables without fussing. And if you love pasta, you should definitely try this. Enjoy. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you enjoyed my videos, please like and subscribe.